Hi. We just want to continue from the second step, which is substitute. And what you have to do in the second step is to plug in the equation that you found, which was x equals or y equals. You plug it into the second equation to find the last variable.
After that, you just plug in the variable you found with this step. Then you find the other variable. Then you just check your answer by plugging them into both equations.
All right, here's the first example for solving systems of equations using substitution. So the first example is 2y minus 4x equals 12. And the second equation is y plus 2x equals 10. So we need to find the values of x and y. So first, what you want to do, let me rewrite this, equals 12. So then what you want to do is try to isolate y so you can be able to find one equation. So plus 4x on both sides. So that would equal 2y equals 4x plus 12. So now what you do to isolate y, you have to divide 2 from both sides. So then that would equal y equals 2x plus 6. So you see how here the y is isolated, so that you can use that to plug into the second equation. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So this is going to go all the way over here. So now, instead of this being y, it's going to be 2x plus 6 plus 2x, because there's still a 2x right there, equals 10. So now you can be able to combine the like terms. So 2x and 2x, so that will be 4x plus 6 equals 10. Now you can start trying to isolate x, so you first subtract 6 from both sides, so 4x equals 4. And now, the final step, or one of the final steps. So there, x equals 1. So there we found x. Now the last step is to find y. So what we can do is plug it in this equation because it's easier, it's already made for you. So y plus 2 times x, which is 1, equals 10. So you multiply that, 2 plus y equals 10. Subtract it from both sides, that equals 8 equals y. So we found our solution, which is x equals 1. So it would be in this format. So x equals 1 and y equals 8. So this is our solution, but before we end this example, we have to check it. So let me go here to check. So let's plug in the variables to the first equation. So 2 times y, which is 8, minus 4 times 1 equals 12. So 16 minus 4 equals 12. So 16 minus 4 equals 12. So 12 equals 12. We have the first equation. Now we need the second one. So we plug in y, which is 8, plus 2 times 1 equals 10. So 8 plus 2 equals 10, and that is a true statement, so 10 equals 10. So now the solution for the first example is x equals 1 and y equals 8.
Hello. And this is example 2. I'm sure you how to solve it. First, you have to plug in this equation into y. Now you solve it. Add the opposite. Distribute. Add the opposite here too. Now you combine like terms. Now you subtract this to this. So this cancels out. You divide -1 by this, so this cancels out. So final answer is x equals 4. Next, you find y. You find y by plugging in x to this one. And the answer is y equals 3. Now the most important part is checking your answer. To make it simple for me, I'm going to plug it in this one, x and y. So this checks out. Now to the next one. And this one also checks out. So the solution is y equals 3 and x equals 4.